Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a backup to solar water heater. It can also use electricity. So this is how it looks. After installing this water heater, you can connect it to electricity as well, so that when there is no enough sunlight and it is not able to heat the water, you connect this one. Most people break this thing thinking you connect it there. It's not connected at this point. Many people break it. So the correct place to connect it is you open this white part here. This part here, you open it. This is for backup. This is where you install and connect the heater. In case people use water completely, this one will help to heat the water again. So you will never lack. So you remove this one and you replace with that heater. So this is where you connect your heater. It senses when the water is cold and it will heat the water in case there's no enough sunlight. So you put your wire through this hole and then you connect black to black, red to red, and earth to earth, green to green, like this. It's a very simple task. And when you go to the house, you connect it to the water heater switch, so that it doesn't work full time. Now you return this cover and you screw it, and the work is done. Like and subscribe for you to see our other videos. Thank you.